Hello business owners, want to save your fees by linking Wise to Stripe for payouts? Wise lets you receive payments in multiple currencies without hefty conversion costs. So very quickly guys, let's get into the tutorial. So from the previous updates, the interface is a bit changed. So now in order to do that, you need to go to the settings by choosing this gear icon. After that, my friends, you need to go to the payment section right here. After that, you go to payment methods. And in here, you should find your Wise account, Wise payment option. So in my case, it's not available because it's probably tied to a country. And yeah, in my case, it's missing, but in your case, it should be available. So this is how you find it. Just scroll down through this list. As you can see, we have Cash Pay, we have Kakao Pay. This is for Korea. We have Amazon Pay, all the stuff, Apple Pay. And in here, you will find your Wise. And that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, very easy. Just make sure to properly find it in the settings. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you next time.